Welcome to the Academy and Flipped Mastery Math. What is flipped mastery? Well, the flipped part, we switch when we do homework and receive instruction. Lessons are done at home via technology, and we practice in class with the teacher present to provide assistance. For the mastery part, students only progress through the material after they demonstrate mastery of the previous concept. So what are the benefits of flipped mastery? By turning things around, students have more time in class to have their questions answered, do labs, work on homework with their teacher at their side when they need help, and do inquiry activities. Students can pause and rewind instruction as they need to rehear things they missed the first time around. Most students earn higher grades and there are fewer behavior problems. The flipped mastery sequence, students begin by watching their lesson and taking notes, preparing questions. When they come to class, they ask the teacher any questions they have and receive responses. They will complete basic practice and check their own answers. They may do this individually, with a partner, or in a small group. Again, they can ask the teacher any questions as needed. Once the basic practice is satisfactorily completed, students move on to application problems. They can work with a partner, individually, in small groups, and as always, ask for assistance from the teacher when they need it. When students have successfully completed the application problem set, they take a mastery check. When students pass the mastery check with 80% or higher, they move on to the next lesson. If a student does not pass the mastery check, they receive additional assistance, more practice, and retake the mastery check. This process is repeated until the student passes the mastery check and is able to move on to the next lesson. Ms. Moran's expectations are that students arrive prepared for class. That means they should bring all necessary materials to class with them and have already viewed the lesson, completed their notes, and submitted any online questions before coming to class. They're expected to remain on class throughout the class period. They'll be allowed to work individually or in small groups, and the expectation is that they can do this without interrupting others or causing a scene. Students are also to be working on math unless otherwise directed by me. Students need to manage their time to meet the requirements of the pacing guide and ask for help when they need it. Our general pattern for daily work will be that students have already viewed the instructional video, taken notes, and posted questions before they come to class. When they arrive in class, they'll complete a Back to Basics, known as B2B, quiz as soon as they arrive. B2Bs always cover prior material learned and that are concepts that are needed to be successful in the future. If they are ready to take a mastery check or unit test, they may request to do so after completing their B2B. If not, they'll continue to work on their current lessons and practice activities. Students will work individually until all the B2Bs are turned in, and then they may choose to work with a partner or group. Students are expected to work on math for the entire class period. Supplies students will need every day for class include pencils, loose leaf paper or spiral notebook, and a pocket folder or 1-inch binder for math work only. Optional supplies include a USB thumb drive to record videos, color pencils or highlighters, and for high school students only, a scientific or graphing calculator. Grading policy. Quarterly grades are going to be based on the following. Weekly progress towards completing the pacing guide is 10%. Back to Basics quizzes are 10%. Mastery checks are 30%. Unit tests and projects are 30% for middle school and 50% for high school. Middle school students take quarterfinal exams that are 20% of their grade each quarter. High school students take semester exams that are 10% of the semester grade. All unit tests and quarter semester exams are cumulative. The end of course exam for Algebra 2 is counted as 10% of the course grade. Quarter and semester exams and end of course exams may not be retaken or made up. Welcome back. I look forward to having a great year with each of you.